Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since my last vlog for accountants and CPAs. And then I realized na today, October 17, is the anniversary of my becoming one. October 17, 2011, nung lumabas yung results back in my time. And I thought, apart sa pag-reminisce, it would be good to check in at kamustahin yung mga sipali or LECPA sipali or LECPA takers this month. Sa lahat ng accountancy graduates who will be taking the LECPA this October 2025 and also beyond, this is for you. Kung kinakabahan ka, na-overwhelm or napapagod na ka-review, hinga muna. Reminder lang, kaya mo to. Alam ko, ilang buwan, ilang taon yun na itong tinrabaho. So, hindi lang with the review, but from the very basic accounting, taxation, auditing, so lahat-lahat na mga long exam, group studies, or individual studies. Kung ayaw mo nang may kasamang iba, pati na rin sa support system, hindi biro lahat ng yun. And ayan na nga, ilang araw or ilang linggo na lang, laban na. So, ayun, gusto ko lang sabihin na you are more ready than you think. So, hindi mo kailangan maging perfect. Ang kailangan mo lang is ipaglaban kung ano yung pangarap mo, yung ilang buwan, ilang taon mong tinrabaho. Hindi lang ito exam. Isa itong bridge para sa CPA na idudugtong sa dulo ng pangalan mo. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa laban na to. I'm sure maraming naniniwala sa'yo. I already uploaded another vlog para dun sa tips in studying for the CPA board exam. But let me tell you a list of quick tips para dun sa exam mismo. Okay? Una, matulog ng sapat. Whenever someone asks me about sa tips sa pag-take ng CPA board exam, ang sinasabi ko lang rin talaga is matulog. Kasi kahit anong aral lang gawin mo, kung puyat ka during exam, hindi ka makaka-focus. And speaking of focus, number 2 is kumain ng tama or kumain ng ayos. Kasi imagine 3 hours yung exam and sobrang hirap na makapag-exam ng kumakalam yung tiyan. So yun. Pangatlo, i-ready na lahat ng gamit. So, lapis, ballpen, ballpoint pen. Again, kasi nga, gel pen yung dala ko noon. Tapos, pantasa, magdala ka na din. Ano pa ba? Yung mga requirements, yung documents, alam mo na yan. Calculator, of course. So, ilista mo na lahat ng dadalhin mo. Kung hindi mo maiwasan na mag-review pa din in between the exams, kasi diba may lunch break, huwag ka na mag-compute. Mag-prepare ka na lang ng cue card, so magbasa-basa ka ng konti kung talagang hindi mo maiwasan. And finally, ihanda ang sarili kasi mental toughness talaga ang labanan dito. Stay calm, trust your review, and of course, trust yourself. Kaya mo yan. So sa inyong mga future CPAs, sabi ko nga dun sa CPA Part 2 video, find your why. Sobrang importante na panghawakan mo yan during the exam. Kasi yun na magpapatatag sa'yo. Good luck and see you soon. See you soon with those 3 letters sa dulo ng pangalan mo. Kayang-kaya mo yan. Laban lang. While filming this, I recall the prayer that we memorized from grade school and high school. And actually, ang funny kasi one time, na-recite pa namin to ni Jerel pareho. So, kabisado pa rin namin yung prayer before exam hanggang ngayon. So, if you would like to use that prayer, para sa paparating na board exam, I'll share it with you. Alright? Oh God, help me at my examination today to remember things which I have learned and studied. Help me not to be nervous and excited, that I will do myself justice and keep me calm and clear-headed. Help me to try my hardest and to do my best. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Ayun lang today mga kabibi. Something quick for my accountant audience. I know nagbago na yung audience ng channel na to dahil sa MP2 videos, but I know that you're still there. I hope na nandyan pa rin kayo throughout your employment journey. Kasi, sabi ko nga nung inumpisahan ko yung channel na to, it's like talking to the younger version of me. Younger version of me na walang gabay, charot. Sige na. See you in the next one. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Again, good luck sa board exams and see you soon. Bye!